Hey, my bosses. Hi, this is Editing Renee. So I'm here just to say thanks, you guys, for watching my videos. I really appreciate them. Like, comment, and subscribe to see more videos like this. Like these, all the videos that I do. We do everything from making shirts to making trays to doing tumblers, glasses, etching on glasses, and all sorts of stuff over here on this channel. This particular video is the first for this channel. We're going to be making our very own happy birthday card using glitter cardstock from Walmart. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Bye, guys. All right, my bosses, welcome back to another Bawse production. Today's gonna be a nice, simple, easy little video. It's something new we bring into the channel. Today is gonna be making our own card, our own happy birthday card using our Cricut Explore Air 2 and glitter cardstock from Walmart. So I picked out this design from the Cricut Design Space shop. I have Cricut access, so I do not pay for the design. I get to use it for free. It says happy birthday with flowers. We are going to be using the Cricut with the pen attachment as well as the blade attachment. I resized it to the size that I wanted to cut out at, and now we're transferring it over to our Cricut. While the computer is finding the Cricut, we are going to move over to the side and we are going to put our white glitter cardstock on our cutting mat. I am using the strong grip. You do not need to use the strong grip, but my light grip and my standard grip were pre-indisposed, being used for other projects at the time, so I had to stick with my strong grip. You will see why we don't need to use strong grip when this is done, and I had to cut the video off to go and finish taking it off of the mat without tearing it. So you wouldn't normally use your light grip for cardstock or even your standard grip, but not your strong grip. It's a little too strong. So right now, we are using our pen to draw out the designs and to write out the words happy birthday. After this finished getting, the flowers are finished being drawn out by the pen, it is going to automatically go into the cutting mode to cut out the rest of the flower design and the insert slits for us to put our backing in. So I'll jump back in once all of that has been cut and drawn. I'm going to use this time to go ahead and say thank you for watching this video. If you like what you see, please like, comment, and subscribe to the video, to the channel, I'm sorry. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time a new video is uploaded. All right, guys, we are back, and now you're going to see why I said we don't need to use the strong grip. It took me a minute to get this off without damaging the cardstock itself or tearing the cardstock from where it got all the cuts, the intricate cuts and lines and stuff. So I'm using the spatula that comes with the Cricut tool set to kind of see if I can get between the mat and the cardstock without tearing. Now, I am sorry I didn't finish taking this off on camera, but it was taking too long, so I'll be back. I'm back, and everything came out good. Everything came out great. We took it off the mat, and look at that. That glitter is sparkling. Now, it's a little, the cardstock is a little too bigger than what I wanted it. So now, since it's cut out, I am going to take the Cricut paper cutter and I am going to slice it down about 3 inches and cut that excess piece off that I am not going to need. And voila, we have the card size that we are looking for. Now for our backing, so it doesn't have a straight white background, we're going to go inside of this watercolored cardstock pack that I got from Walmart, I believe, and I believe it was between $5.99 and $7.99 for this packet. We're going to find a nice color. I like this color because it's a multiple of the white, the pinks, and the yellows with the orange colors, so it gives the flowers, since we're working with flowers, it gives it a nice contrast of the different colors that are in, that would be in a flower. So we're going to measure it out the best we can, mark off our section on the back of the cardstock, and then we are going to cut it using our paper cutter from Cricut. I didn't want to waste any paper. That's why I'm using the cutter to cut partly halfway down on each direction. Now, when we're going to try to put this in here, you're going to see that it's going to be a little too big. So we're going to cut this down a little more. We're going to do about a 1/2 inch to a 1/4 inch off the bottom where the white, most of the white is, because we don't really want white. Stick it in. And boom, we have just completed our first card on this channel. The sparkles, let me turn this down, look at that. That is beautiful. I love the way the glitter sparkles and the pink color of it on there. It's just beautiful. All right, guys, thanks for watching this quick video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. See you on our next Bawse Productions. Bye.